Okay, you guys, we gotta look at it.
It came after me.
Just don't panic, it won't hurt you.
Don't stop filming.
I have a headache now.
Oh my god. I didn't quite get it. Oh, it's like, it doesn't even have teeth. Did you get it? Yeah. Oh, no.
Watch out.
Gosh.
Oh, where the hell did they go?
Oh, I have it.
How do I add these people to Facebook again now?
Click on their profile. Oh, motherfuck.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was funny.
Hold the door open while I videotape. Holy.
Hurry up, it's coming out. Ready?
Oh my god.